Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hello, I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 9th of November. Got a cold front passing through the state today, but as cold fronts go in November, this one's not going to stir up much of a fuss. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Here's a look at downtown Birmingham, looking right down 20th Street, seen from the Daniel Building. Nice shot there of downtown Jasper. In Walker County is seen from the King Building. And a look at downtown Haleyville in Winston County. All right, there's your trough rotating through here. The energy will be passing well to the north, and the wave is weakening. And down below that, the surface low is located around St. Louis, 1,008 millibars, with the trailing front down along the Mississippi River, and that will be sliding through here today. And it's noticeably colder behind the front. Early this morning is noticing Birmingham sitting at 62. You cross the front, you've got 30s back at Fayetteville and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And tomorrow will be noticeably colder. And there's the radar at 5:03, and that's what we expected, just not much. A little light rain showing up in northwest Alabama. Don't see any thunder out there, and I just don't expect any today. So light rain. The NAM is showing only 0.04 of an inch for Birmingham. So this is not what you call beneficial rain. Light and spotty. Up on the watch warning map, still got some winter weather issues up north. Those gray counties around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, the Tidewater, those are fog advisories. Convective outlook today. Forget about severe weather. Not going to happen today. In fact, they've got general thunder for the state. I don't know. I doubt if we hear any. Somebody might hear some thunder, but again, we're talking mainly just light rain showers. Rain for the next 5 days, not much. This is valid through the weekend, through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. Amounts across our state, generally 1/4 inch or less, which matches up nicely with our forecast. Tropical weather, Sean is spinning away northeast of the Bahamas. Top winds are at 50 miles per hour. And it will drift north and then take the turn northeast, passing not too far from Bermuda. There's a tropical storm warning in effect for the island there. But it's clearly on the way out this weekend. And goodness, what a storm that's affecting Alaska. That thing coming off the Bering Sea. That's pretty remarkable. The central pressure there is down to 944 millibars. It's like a significant hurricane. Places like Nome with blizzard conditions today. Winds gusting to hurricane force almost, and snow amounts over 1 foot. Wow. That's a mess. All right, let's look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run at noon today. Energy passing way north, the surface low way north, and near Grand Rapids, Michigan, and just kind of a dying front down through here with a chance of showers today. Tomorrow turns noticeably colder. Today will be up around 70, but tomorrow highs will drop into the mid to upper 50s. And again, like we've talked about, I think the clearing process works pretty nicely with everything so far north. So we'll say the sky becoming sunny. The GFS is at 55. The NAM is at 58. Cool north breeze. Friday, we'll be down there around freezing at daybreak. The NAM is at 32. And the colder pockets could be in the 20s. Friday should be a beautiful day with a high probably around 60. And there's Saturday starting off the weekend. Again, we'll be cold early in the day with lows down in the low 30s, but the high should be in the middle 60s. A nice day. And Sunday looks nice, a little breezy. Maybe a shower northwest of here, but we stay dry. And the latest GFS is showing 71 on Sunday. Now, Monday, we got the warm ridge over the Gulf, kind of keeping everything north of us. And again, this is showing maybe a shower in here Monday, but rainfall amounts will be light, kind of warm, mid-70s. And there's Tuesday, and you got this heavy rain axis developing northwest of the state, and that still looks kind of dry here. And again, it will be warm with the ridge with mid-70s. And then finally, Wednesday, a week from today, the cold front slips in here. And like recent fronts, it's kind of a dying duck there. The main surface low is over far eastern Canada. So again, that does not suggest any really heavy rain or severe weather. We note the air's pretty cold behind that. And then on the 24th, I said yesterday, this is out there toward Halloween. It's the lack of sleep Thanksgiving is what I was trying to say. Out toward Thanksgiving, we've got the little shortwave north of us and evidence of getting wet there. Been a little buzz about the NAO, the North Atlantic Oscillation. Notice how that thing tries to spike downward pretty sharply out there later in the month. And when the NAO goes negative, that often can suggest a deep eastern trough and some cold air getting down in here. So the operational GFS not really reflecting that at this point, but we'll see if that negative NAO spike actually happens and we do get a big shot of cold air in here maybe in 2 or 2.5 weeks, something like that. We'll see. It's all voodoo. We know that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.